Welcome to AI Business TV. We're here at the AI Summit San Francisco. We're very pleased to be joined today by Traci Gusher. How are you, Traci?
I'm good, thank you.
Traci's here from KPMG, about to deliver her keynote presentation. So tell me, what's on the agenda today? I believe it's the 8 key trends to look out in terms of AI adoption for enterprise. So
Yeah, sure is. So we embarked on a pretty significant research study earlier this year, looking at what kind of trends we're seeing in large organizations adopting artificial intelligence. And the keynote today is a little bit of an overview on each one of those eight trends, really what we're seeing in terms of AI adoption, challenges, acceleration points, benefits, and really just kind of digging into that a little bit.
Amazing. And KPMG, market leader in what they do, how do you continue to leverage AI, machine learning and such to, kind of maintain your lead in the industry?
There's certainly a lot of different places and levers and industries that we focus on, and the breadth and depth of where we're bringing artificial intelligence is pretty deep. But one of the ways that we're really bringing focus is in something we call our connected enterprise. And what this is really about is, how do you connect the back office to the middle office to the front office and bring artificial intelligence through all 3 layers of an organization? A lot of what we've seen in artificial intelligence in the enterprise over the last few years has really been very customer-centric. And that's not a bad thing, but we've gotten a little bit stuck on the customer. I don't think anything's going to slow down our focus on customer, but we need to take a step back and be looking at, how does that customer experience and the AI we're driving in the customer space, how does it connect to the middle office, how does it connect to the back office, and how do we connect it all together? And it's a message and an approach that's really resonating with a lot of our clients, particularly those that are aiming to get both revenue and cost savings benefits out of AI applications beyond just what they're doing with the customer.
For sure. So there's still quite a few misconceptions around AI for enterprise. Kind of what do you think those are? What are those misgivings generally today that we're seeing within the enterprise space?
There's probably a few, and I'd be hard pressed to kind of pick one and say this is the biggest. But a few that come to mind are, one, the amount of time and effort it takes to train AI. I think there's often a misconception that I'm going to turn the machine on and it's just going to learn and suddenly I'm going to have these amazing insights, but it really does take a lot of work to train AI to be effective. So I think that's one, is just the level of effort it takes from the humans to actually train AI. I think the second is the misconception that AI is all about replacing humans, because it really is about augmenting humans. And one of the things that I talk a lot about with my clients is the best AI is the AI that is closely connected and complemented by the human involvement. If you don't have close human involvement from the very beginning through how it's being applied in the organization, that it's really AI for AI's sake versus something that's really going to drive value. So I think that's another one.
And in terms of business functions within an organization, where do you see AI being utilized to best effect at the moment?
Oh gosh, so like I mentioned before, I mean, anything customer-centric is certainly an area where there's a lot of heavy AI adoption, and there's some clear benefits that are being generated. I mean, we've completely changed the way that we interact with companies, as it relates to our overall customer journey. But there's a lot of other areas that are really starting to emerge in that middle and back office. One area is in supply chain. Things like demand forecasting and improving supply chain functionality, and how do I better get control over my inventory and forecast what I need. There's a lot of AI application happening there today that I think is really proving some significant benefits for organizations. Another area is in finance. So things like intelligent forecasting and being able to bring different types of approaches into the way that we forecast financially is something that I think is really starting to gain some momentum.
Thank you so much for joining us today, Traci, and hope you enjoy the rest of your AI Summit.
I will. Thank you very much.
Thank you.